Welcome to our channel. This one today is for you DIY enthusiasts, specifically when it comes to landscaping. So today I want to tell you 8 things that you need to know when it comes to landscaping your property. First and foremost important thing is clear and clean. So that is starting with a clean slate, specifically if you inherited a property or you haven't been taking care of it for quite a while. Clearing everything out, getting the weeds removed, getting your areas prepped and ready to go is extremely important. Number 2, make sure you plan your layout for all your plants, for your mulch, shrubs, and even for where your grass is going to go. Number 3, now that you have your layout planned out, make sure you have plants for all seasons. And for you really good researchers, make sure your plants bloom at different times of the year. Specifically here in Minnesota, some plants do much better early in the spring and early summer, and some of them bloom vibrantly closer to the end of the summer and the fall. So make sure that you have plants that aren't just blooming right away and then shedding all of their wonderful colors early on. Make sure you have them for each part of the season. 4, set a focal point. Some folks will use a small tree like a hydrangea to be the centerpiece of their landscaping. Some people will use a nice retaining wall or even some nice landscape rocks to kind of be the center point of all of their planting. Number 5, never underestimate good lighting. Make sure to light up your, again, focal points so that even in the evening as your neighbors walk by, they can see all your wonderful landscaping. 6, and this is a mistake I've made before, keep it symmetrical. You should research which plants are going to grow to what heights and also space out certain plants so that it all looks symmetrical. Sometimes you may end up with very tall bushes on one side and very small ones on the other. So one way to ensure that you're doing this is to know how the sun hits your property and how the water flows throughout. So if one area is not going to get as much sun or water as another, make sure to keep that in mind so that you have perfect symmetry in your landscaping. Number 7, edges matter. Use landscape block or even just a roll-out landscape liner that delineates your grass lines from your landscaping, and make sure to keep those areas clean. Number 8, you think that you got all the way through with all this DIY landscaping, but these are living things. They are plants, so they will grow, weeds will come in. You've got to make sure to de-weed, to trim all the edges, to clip back certain types of plants at the end of the season so that it stays looking beautiful for years to come. And there you have it, 8 ways that you can DIY landscape your property to make it look absolutely magnificent. My name is AJ Pedersen, a team leader with the Advisory Realty Group at eXp Realty, and on this page, you're gonna learn everything you need to know about the Twin Cities real estate market, what it's like to eat, sleep, live, play, and learn in the Minneapolis-St. Paul area. And from time to time, we will sprinkle in some fantastic property maintenance type things like landscaping your home. So if you like this video, tap the bell so you get notified when we post future ones. Throw us a like, comment, ask us questions. We'd love to hear your landscaping experiences.